Hello, welcome back to the vlog. I hope you're doing really well. I haven't introduced this vlog. It's very quite straightforward. I'm in Chettinad slash Karaikudi to spend Pongal here with my friends. It's a very different type of holiday than we usually do, but it's so cute. Like, I wouldn't want to do this type of trip with any other group of friends than this one, so it's perfection. I've started saying perfection a lot for absolutely no reason. Perfection. Why do I do that? As an update from the previous vlog, I had the stomach bug and everything. It's much better now. I got my acidity issues in control. Just before this trip, I feel much better. I feel like you can see that, but yeah, yesterday we reached and we didn't really do much. Like, we just chilled and spent the evening, watched a Tamil movie. It was fun, just like relaxed vibes. Today we went to the temple in the morning, which apparently is like an important one. So we went to that, and now I've got myself ready. I'm wearing this pomegranate suit. This suit is from this shop called The Loom. It was gifted to me, I think, like a year-ish ago, but it's still good as new, so I thought it'd be perfect for this trip. So now we're gonna go to, I think, watch tiles being made, like traditional tiles that's famous here. We're gonna watch that and maybe try making our own, and then we're gonna have lunch at this place called Bangla in Karaikudi. Fun vibes. I'll just take you along and show you what we get up to. back in Bombay now. What was the last thing I said to you? I can't even remember, but I was in Karaikudi for the longest time, and then there was one full day where I was just driving back to Chennai, so I didn't vlog that much. And then yesterday I got back to Bombay, and in the daytime I just did a bunch of work, like catching up with stuff that I had missed. And now that I'm here, I spent all day kind of unpacking, opening up boxes that needed to be opened, and just again doing some bits of collab work that I've been a little bit lax about. So all that is done, and now it's time to go for an event. It's with The Ordinary. It's a very small pop-up that they've invited us to come and see, so we're gonna do that. And while I'm there, because I'm going to Geo World Drive, I also have to pick up a few things at the grocery store. I'm gonna try to get a strap for my Apple Watch, because the Apple Watch that I have, I tried this already. I ordered a strap on Amazon, but that one was way too big for my watch, and it was also not the same color as the watch part, like this part of the watch. So I have to go and see if I can find another one, because the strap is a big reason why I don't end up using that. So I'm gonna try to see if I can fix that. And I'm also thinking of getting a little trim. I want these parts to be a little shorter, and maybe one layer just here. I'm hoping it does not become too short. The last time I got my hair cut here, it was with this hairstylist named Aman, and he was really good. Like, he gave me exactly what I wanted, so I'm hoping that we'll be on the same page today too, because this is already quite short for me, but I like it. It's very like youthful, I feel. So yeah, just a little bit of trim and one more layer here and some shorter pieces here. Let's go do all those things.
So it needs to be repainted basically. I'm trying to figure that out. Okay.
Body temperature is fine for you?
Yeah. Such a good relaxing day, but I'm sick again. I don't even know how. Like, since I landed in Bombay, I've just had like a stuffy nose and a sore throat, and I don't know what's happening. Like, if you've been watching the vlogs, you'll know at the start of December I got a flu, and then I was like sick all through the month of December. At the end of December I went to Goa, then I got food poisoning, and then I got acidity, and then it's just been such a whirlwind, and I'm so like done with being sick and not having energy to do the things I want to do. Like today and yesterday I had to post a reel. I literally cannot even bring myself to edit the stuff I've already shot because I'm so tired. I just want to sleep and be in bed. I don't know. I'm like constantly drinking hot water. I hope I'm better by tomorrow because I have to edit this vlog that you're watching right now and post it. So that's my update. Other than that though, I hope you've enjoyed the vlog. We got up to some very interesting and very varied number of things. Like we went to Karaikudi, we celebrated Pongal there, and then went to Chennai and then back to Bombay, and we had a very like self-carey 2 days in Bombay so far. Yesterday I got a haircut, today I got a full body massage, which by the way was just so good. Florian Hurel, is that how you say it? The spa is so bougie but so good. Like they have a gym in there, they have steam, they have sauna, they have a hair salon section, they have like regular spas like body massages, manicures, pedicures, everything. Like they have literally everything you can possibly imagine. They even have this 12-step 15-step Korean hair spa thing, and they have a separate room for each of these things. That's how big the place is, and it's beautiful inside also. So we went there, and then I also got a facial, like a very quick one. It was nothing too intense. It was very like contour focused, like to just chisel things and help reduce inflammation, and some hydrating mask just to give my skin a little bit of boost. My dermat skin clinic, Yavanna Aesthetic, was celebrating 20 years. Like it was their 20th anniversary, so they had us over and it was just so nice. And by the way, last time, and just overall since I've been speaking about Dr. Madhuri, a lot of people have asked if she does online consultations, and apparently she does. I found out today. So just call the clinic and book an appointment so that she can guide you. She's really good. She's really good. So yes, yeah, very varied number of activities in this vlog, so I hope you enjoyed watching it. Make sure to subscribe. I know for a fact a lot of you guys are watching and not subscribing, so please subscribe. Join the community here, and yeah, I'll see you very soon next week, hopefully with a sit down video. So yeah, that's all from me for now. I'll see you next week. Bye.